Welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna talk about some exciting stuff because there is a chain right now popping off and we have a lot of meme coins are popping off on that chain. And what do we see? We also see like 1/4, almost 25% of the outflow of Solana is coming to SUI chain. Yes, I'm talking about SUI chain, and I'm gonna show you today in this video how you can trade 100x coins. And yes, I'm serious, these coins can do 100x because there is almost zero competition at this moment. If you're watching this video right now, you are very early and you should consider yourself lucky. Sit down, pay attention to this video and make sure that you see all the details because you do not want to miss this. Let's get into it right away. I will show you all the things that you can use, the tools, where you need to be on how to be successful on this chain and find those early gems that can potentially become a blue chip on the chain and can make you life-changing gains. But first of all, keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to do this for entertainment purposes and make sure that everybody has the knowledge to profit of this massive opportunity in the market, because a lot of people are still sleeping on it, but we are not. So let's get into it. Before we get into all the details, on the end of the video, I'm going to take a look at a potential very early gem that I have invested in myself, and I will sharing some details that I have seen about this project, and another one that could be a potential blue chip on the SUI chain. But first, get to the most important stuff. What is SUI? So if we come to CoinGecko and we take a look, it is currently at rank 25. We see the SUI chain. And we can see the market cap is almost 5 billion right now. And if we take a look at the max chart, we will see that we're now at a almost potential all-time high of $2. But if we take a look from the lows, it's only up 400%. So it has much more room to go in my opinion. Why? Let's take a look at Solana. Solana is right now at 64. If it would come close to that, it would need to do a 12x from this price. I'm not saying that it's going to be doing it, but let's say it does have. That's a 6x from here. I do not believe that Solana will do a 6x that quick like SUI can do it, especially because if a lot of memes are now building what we see on SUI, then a lot of money will be made there and a lot of people will put that profit into the coin SUI because it's obvious, because they made it on the SUI chain. And that will become bullish and more people will start holding SUI. So I believe it has much more room to go and it could be a very interesting project to have in your portfolio. And that I'm not even talking about the 100x meme coins. And we have taken action on this in our VIP group and we have shared multiple coins. We have done 20x. We have so many opportunities on the chain. It's insane. Why? Because there are not that many rugs. Why? Let's say, for an example, I'm just saying some numbers, but on a day, maybe 1,000 projects launch on Solana meme coins. On SUI, it is only like 15, 50 in between. So it's a lot less. It's not even 50. So that's what you keep in mind. There's almost zero competition. All the bad boys and the Yeets and all those stuff are not really right in now. So you have more serious people coming in that want to build and they want to be one of the first blue chip memes on the chain, like we have on every chain in this space. So that's why it's very interesting. It caught my attention and I just went for it. So I will take you through which tools you need to be successful and to be able to trade these meme coins on the SUI chain. So first of all, what do we actually need? Let's just first take a look at Move Pump. What is Move Pump? Move Pump is just the same like Pump Fund. If you know Pump Fund from Solana, you will know what I'm talking about. This is the place where you can launch a meme coin. If I connect my wallet here, let's say, connect my SUI wallet, YouTube, connect. So that's the first thing we do. We come right here to the Chrome and we take the SUI wallet and we download it. Once we have downloaded it, it's just like any other wallet. We take the seed phrase, we write down the words carefully on a piece of paper, we hide it very safely. Once we have done that, we buy some funds, let's say from a central exchange, and send it to that wallet. That's something that most people know how to do it. So you just copy the address right here and you send it from a central exchange, or you can even buy in the wallet itself right here with Transact or with MoonPay or with Bankster. All right, so that's easy. Once you have the SUI in your wallet, what I have already done, and the first thing we take a look at is where are the coins launching right now? This is happening on MovePump. And it's really easy because if I come to here and I just click on to create token, I can just create my token like this. This is how easy it is. I just put in my Twitter link, Telegram link, website link, description, token symbol, token name, put in a logo, and deployment fee of 0.5 SUI, that's literally like $1. We click on to launch and that's it. We have our token. But is it that easy? No, guys. You have to do marketing. You have to get people to buy your token. You have to form a community, and that's not an easy task. But because there are now not much launching, there is a much more probability that if a token gets filled right here on MovePump, that it has a chance of succeeding. We can also see if we come to Dex Screener and we click right here on the chains and we go to SUI, then we will see the tokens right now. And now the biggest that we have in terms of market cap is Hippo. This is 133 million. But for the rest, we do not really have a big one. The one that's now a bit more trending is SUI Man, and this is in 2.7 million. So can you imagine how much opportunity there is? We have also Sujak right here. So there's a lot of things happening on the chain and so much opportunity. And there is not that much coins, so it gives us a lot of opportunity because look, showing pairs 1 of 2000. Okay, let's take a look at Solana. Let's see how much. This is actually insane. 32,000. This is only like 8% of Solana memes that is actually now building on SUI, and the hype keeps coming. That's why I'm actually really bullish, and you should pay attention to this because I believe in the coming 3 to 6 months, a lot of people will come to SUI. I have seen big alpha caller groups now putting tutorials on how to trade on SUI. Why? Because they're gonna start calling coins on SUI, and we want to take advantage of that and be early, because the more early we are, the bigger the gains we can make. What makes me even more bullish is DEX tools, they did not even update for SUI. So we're that early. So once that happens, there will come another flow of money, and that's also bullish for us. So that's why this could be one of the best opportunities right now at this moment with a lower risk. So now that you know all of this, let's go to MovePump. How can we decide which token do we want? First, what do we like to see? Okay, look, we can take a risk and we can invest here, but we do not know if they're gonna fail, yes or no. This is like on Pump Fund. Before the bonding, they sell off, or after the bonding, they sell off. This happens all the time. So we need to find serious projects with serious team, with serious dev behind it that actually want to push it and build it a long-term project in a higher market cap. And eventually we want those tokens that go above 1 million and potentially go to 100 million or more. That's what we actually want if you want to have a 100x, 1000x. So rest assured, on the end of the video, I'm going to show you 2 tokens that I'm actually very bullish on. I got them with my community as well. And yeah, it is something you have to see. So keep watching, pay attention. First of all, if we come right here, you're going to ask yourself, how can I invest? Let's say we want to invest in SUI turtles. We just click onto it. We make sure that our wallet is connected and we have fun with our wallet. And then it's just as simple as on Pump Fund of Solana. You can just buy right here or balance, let's say 3 SUI. And you just buy now. And if this gets filled, it will get bond, liquidity will be added, it will be brought to over here, Blue Move. This is the DEX. So if we're on the DEX right here, you just click on to connect wallet, we choose the SUI wallet, yes, connect, and that's it. We can swap. That's how easy it is. Now, this is not the only DEX that you can use. I'm going to show you everything. You have also this one, hop.ig. This is like the Jupiter of Phantom, but on SUI. What I like about this one is that you also see the dollar amount. Let's say connect wallet, SUI wallet, connect. All right. Let's say 3 SUI. And we also see the dollar amount right here. If you take a look right here, we do not see that. So I like, for now, I was always using this one, but I like hop.ag also a lot. Then we can also, on MovePump itself, can we also do a swap like you can see right here. Select a token, let's say SUI. No, it's not gonna work like this. Let's say move to like this. All right. We can also swap here. So we have multiple options that we can swap and use, but for now, after using all the time Blue Move, I really like this one as well. I will drop the links in the description of my video. Now, let's get into the juicy details of which coin that I'm actually bullish on. If you was paying attention, I actually showed it, and it is this one. And guys, I am doing a massive favor, in my opinion. It's not financial advice, but this is a very good dip to get in. Like, if you see a chart like this, are you buying, yes or no? If you say I want to buy here, then you're doing it probably wrong, in my opinion. Because if you take a look right here, we went to almost 830k. 830k in 3 days. Imagine you just got in right here. Look, look, look. 10x, guys. 10x. And you're not going to believe this, but we call this very early in our VIP group. So if you're interested in that, consider becoming a member and grind with our community, because we are trying to be early on stuff and make those juicy gains. But why am I actually bullish? Because I just like the ticker. Just look at it. Cristiano Ronaldo Speed Smurf. Let's show me the full ticker because I'm not seeing it right now. Where can I see this here? Let's click on the website. Cristiano Ronaldo Speed Smurf 7 CU. And we have Speed right here and Ronaldo. And the ticker is SUI. Just like we have. If you feeling the narrative, you should now think about something. What am I talking about? Let's take a look which thing that I'm talking about. And it's in a high market cap, guys. I'm talking about Bitcoin. And not Bitcoin, but this Bitcoin. This meme coin Bitcoin. Harry Potter Obama Sonic 10 Inu. Who knows this? Let me know in the comments if you know this, yes or no. And just look at how high it is in the market cap. Look, 200 million. Crazy. Can you imagine that just SUI on the SUI chain that only exists 3 days, and this exists how long? 1 year and 5 months. This is only 3 days, guys. 3 days. Where is it at? Come on, what am I doing here? Come on. Excuse me. Click on this. All right. 3 days and 5 hours against 1 year and 5 months. And it already went to 800k. That's insane. But can you imagine that from this price, it goes to just a tenth? That's 20 million. That's 100x from this price. If it goes to what Obama Sonic did in a year, that's 1000x, guys. That's why we're not joking around. We're early on this. Very early. And this is not the only token that I'm actually really bullish on, but I have a feeling this could actually do something. It could do something. And why am I saying this? Let's take a look at the Telegram. If you join the Telegram, we're going to see some stuff. And what do we see right here is take a look right here at the pinned messages. If you comment, what is this? We can see the Solana team behind it. Solana team, guys. If you know and you follow me, I was also early into Solana, but just take a look. Solana. It went to 160 million or 140 million, guys. So I think this is a massive opportunity we just need to pay attention to. And in my opinion, it's worth the risk. Yeah, what am I doing right now? This is Solana. This is the wrong thing. Yeah, sometimes if you're the whole day grinding, you lose some sight, guys. You lose some sight. But as you can see right here, we can see it went to 15 cents and it's right now at 1.2. So it went to almost 100, 120 million, 140. It's something between that. But it's just to make a point. What is possible? There is a possibility and we are early. It's only 3 days live. And this is not the only meme coin that I'm actually bullish on and has a lot of potential. There is another one that has just launched today that I'm actually very bullish on. And I'm talking about Brad on Sui. This is actually bread on Sui. And here, what went wrong is the bonding on Move Pump was not done correctly and it ended on 135 million market cap. And the team was working from Move Pump. This is Move Pump to be very clear. They were working on it like an half an hour, 1 hour to fix everything. Now it's fixed, but for now, today it shows mid 99%. But in the first 24 hours when this is passed, this will all look normal. So do not worry about that. But this is for me actually really bullish because almost all chains have a bread and it could perform very well. I do not see why this cannot go to 1 million at least, even 10 million. So that's why I'm actually bullish in. I'm invested in both of them myself. It's not financial advice, but I myself am invested in them. And with the community, we did that as well. And we did already some massive numbers on it, guys. I'm not joking around. Like, I'm going to show you right here as well. This is just our public group. 23x in 2 days, and I feel like this is going into millions of market cap. I'm buying the big dips, and I have a feeling this will become a bigger meme on the SUI network. We are so early. And this is not the only thing that we're doing. You can see 16 hours and 24 hours. Let's fucking go. So that's why consider joining our private group to be early on these things and do not need to watch until a YouTube video comes out because I'm not too busy with YouTube now. I'm grinding. I'm behind the screens just grinding day and night, 18 hours a day. And it's tough, guys, but it's worth it. It's actually really worth it. And if you want to grind as well and you want to do it in a community, you know where to find me, you know where to find us, and you're welcome to join. But let me know in the comments, what do you actually think about Sui? Has it potential? What do you think about Brett on Sui? And what do you think on Sui on Sui? Are you bullish on this? Is this something for you, yes or no? Let me know in the comments and I would love to see you into the next video. I hope I could show you some things that can mean something to you and you will benefit from them. All right? I would say stay tuned because more is coming. And sweet!